Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious native jollof rice. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So here I have rice. I'll wash the rice with cold water and parboil. This is smoked fish. I'll also wash and debone. Crayfish will be grinded with pepper, okay? And here is washed pomo. So this is fresh pepper. I'll be grinding it with the crayfish I showed you guys earlier, okay? And here is onions, local spices. Here I have controlled onions, basil seed and jansa seed. So I'll be grinding this together. And here is locust beans, seasoning cube, palm oil, ugu leaves. So I'll be washing and shredding these ugu leaves. And here is uziza leaves. I'll also be washing and shredding the uziza leaves. Salt. So here are basically the ingredients we'll be using to prepare this super delicious and tasty native jollof rice. So in the boiling water, add the washed rice and parboil. So once it starts boiling, we remove from heat and wash again. Put palm oil in a dry pan. Add onions, stir. Local spices grinded. Grinded crayfish and pepper. Locust beans. Seasoning cubes. Salt. Add the pomo. Stir for 2 minutes. Add water. Cover and leave to boil. Once the water boils, add sliced onions, add the fish, that is the smoked fish, and leave for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the parboiled rice. So for the pomo wasn't hard. So if you get a hard pomo, you have to cook it separately, okay? So add more water to the level of the rice, then little salt, and mix very well. Cover and leave to cook. Our rice is well cooked and the water dried, so stir to incorporate very well. Add the vegetables, that is the ugu leaves and the uziza leaves. Guys, this recipe was so delicious. So give it a good mix. Incorporate the vegetables. Remove from heat. Our delicious native jollof rice is ready. Guys, as you guys can see, it's not hard, like it's not difficult to prepare. It's easy. You can just easily come up with this. So delicious. Please make sure you try it out. Like I would always tell you guys, once you try this recipe, you're going to love it. It was so delicious and tasty. The taste and flavor was wow. Get your spoons, let's enjoy this together. Get your spoons, let's enjoy this together. Wow, guys, you're going to love this recipe. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this native jollof rice. And like I already said, make sure you try it out. Thank you guys. See you in my next one. Have a lovely, fabulous day. Bye bye.